white spot found me?
Hey, thanks for warming the seat.
Do you know I'm an officer?
So what are you waiting for?
Somebody new. Don't do it when you want a second.
Do you listen to Fresh 105?
When you wanna come, relax, just do it. When you wanna go to it, relax, just do it. When you wanna come, relax, just do it. When you wanna set to it, relax, just do it. When you wanna
He doesn't know?
No, and let's keep it that way.
Of course, he is an artist. The pressure could kill him. I mean, I perform well, knowing people want to drill me full of holes. But I am unique, darling. Darling!
Hey, Rennie. Hi.
Darling, this is darling. Darling, darling, wunderbar. So now we are acquainted, no? Who wants to
I'm Vic.
All right, Barry, mate.
Now, darling. Darling needs a favor.
Yeah, I need you to drive me and one of my clients around. Major player. Could sing the birds down from the trees. You'll love him.
I'm kind of expensive for a limo service.
Yeah, well, rock and roll's a dirty business, cock.
Excuse me?
Well, this one bloke gave me 3 million quid, but now he wants it back. Cheeky twat. He's threatening to kill my bloke if I don't pay up.
Okay. I'll help you, but it's gonna cost.
Yeah. Christ on the bike is at the time. You better go and meet me boy. You are gonna love him. I got a special limo ordered. Let's go and get it, then pick up the boy.
Nunca! Not even with a mortal...
A special limo's bulletproof. I'm not taking any chances, mate. This nutter means business.
¡Qué buena que está, mamita! This is Celia y Johnny Kimbara. Radio Espantoso. That's 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Thursday, or shitface Saturday. Put a fist in the air and listen to V-Rock.
I'm underage, Big Daddy.
Let's get telephonic going to the...
Bloody hell, that nutter's sent a goon squad after me talent. Get him, Vic! That's it for you, bitch.
Look, Barry, when I agreed to play Vice City, I didn't expect it to be my swan song.
It's no problem, mate. Just some nutcase trying it on. Hey, aren't you?
Phil, mate. Phil Collins.
Let's do the meet and greet another time, eh? Come on!
You think you private lives think nothing of the kind. There is no true escape. I'm watching all the time. I'm in a metal. My second scream. I am perpetual. I keep the watching. I'm on
Giorgio wants his money back!
What money? Barry, who are these nutters?
Take your pretty head down, Bill! Christ to the point, Vicky Florence!
For crying out loud, Barry, what have you done this time?
I swear on my mother's life, on my dead mother's grave! I don't know what he's on about!
My deal is written out in pictures that can prove I am in a metal. My second scream. I am perpetual.
Shouldn't we call the police?
This is Vice City, mate, seriously? Bandit country? It's nothing.
Who is this Giorgio you owe money to?
Oh, it's just a fan. He lent me, he gave me a few quid.
Barry, are you in hock to gangsters?
No, mate, I swear. On your life.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm worried about. You're a real moron. I should have left you managing that talking dog. What was his name? Puddles?
Can't you see I got play?
Doc lair, which is in the dungeon, or is it a nest? I don't know, but there's panties, and I smell someone's soul.
Cartoons about fighting aliens when you can.
Ah, Vic. I hope you play golf.
Sure. I've played a round or two.
I play around all the time, but don't tell my wife. Vic, I find the way a man plays golf says much about him.
Really?
See, for instance, I trusted Jesus over there, yet he betrayed me. I should have known better. He's a terrible golfer. Let's see if I like the way you play, huh? Then maybe we do business. Muy bien. I have a deal coming up very soon, Vic. Good shot. Your authorities are keen to support my colonel's attempt to bring greater democracy to the Latin world. Bueno, you bastard! No one sells me out! Well played, Vic.
Thanks.
Regard this as a down payment on your services. I'll be in touch. What in the sweet hail tarnation?
This is V-Rock.
Ah, Vic, my friend. I've a small side deal requiring a sensitive touch.
Sensitive?
Let's just say I'd rather my boss didn't find out about this. Or my men, for that matter.
Let me guess. You've cut your colonel's coke to make a side profit.
Shh, Vic, please. This is, after all, the land of opportunity.
I don't care who you rip off, Gonzalez, as long as it's not me.
Bueno. The drugs are at Ocean Beach. Take them to the deal in Washington.
Out here in Vice City. What the fuck is going on with y'all? It's too much of this shit. Hey, Vice PD, what the fuck y'all doing? You're sitting on your fucking ass. Hey.
Let's see what's up with our roving.
Let's get a move on.
Is Flash.
I'm an easy lover. Did we screw last night? I was so wasted.
I know, but if we didn't, you sucked, because I totally don't remember it.
This is Flash FM, and if you know how ugly Tony is, you'll be glad you're listening to radio, not watching television.
Shut up, you hag.
If I can't entertain your brain, I might as well.
Playing for crazy things. Yes, I call that temptation. Give me the melody. That's all that I ever need. The music is my salvation.
When will you people learn?
What the fuck?
You hit the van too hard. The drugs have gone everywhere. There's more in this dude than in the back.
Quit whining. Let's just get this shit up to the party on Starfish. We got bitches waiting.
Gonzalez, we got hit. The trucks, they're gone.
What? Are you fucking with me?
No, I'm not.
What's wrong with you? Are you fucking my shit?
No, yeah. I must have been bringing it in while I was out cold.
I want my drugs back. I still have my life yesterday. I need to soon kill the bastard with this and get my drugs back to the lab.
Oh, they'll pay all right.
This makes me. You like playing about this? Oh,
Well, at least you managed to retrieve my merchandise. But I think, for our friendship, this is the end. Adios.
The day's great. Say goodbye.